Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer CRM data with Microsoft Power Automate, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring CRM data with Microsoft Power Automate, ensure you have access to both your source and destination CRM systems. Log into your Microsoft Power Automate account. From the dashboard, click on Create to initiate a new flow. Select Automated Cloud Flow to set up a process that triggers automatically. Provide a name for your flow that reflects its purpose. Choose a trigger for your automated flow, such as when a record is created or when a record is updated. Connect to your source CRM by selecting the appropriate connector. You may be prompted to sign in to your source CRM account. After connecting, specify the CRM entity you wish to monitor, like contacts or leads. Next, add a new step by clicking on the plus New Step button. Search for Microsoft Dataverse or your destination CRM connector in the available actions. Select the action that corresponds to creating or updating records in your destination CRM. Fill in the required fields by mapping data from your source CRM to the destination fields. Make sure each field from your source CRM correlates accurately to the desired field in the destination. If necessary, apply conditions or filters to refine which records will be transferred. You can also use expressions to manipulate data or format it as needed during the transfer. Test your flow to ensure everything is functioning correctly. To do that, click on Test in the upper right corner and follow the prompts. After testing, review the results to confirm that data has transferred accurately. Adjust any mappings or settings as necessary based on your test results. Once satisfied, save your flow by clicking on the Save button. Your flow is now set up to automatically transfer CRM data whenever the specified trigger occurs. Monitor the flow's performance by accessing the My Flows section and reviewing any runs or errors. This will help you maintain a clean and efficient data transfer process. If you find issues, don't hesitate to revisit the flow settings and make adjustments. You are now equipped to transfer CRM data using Microsoft Power Automate effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.